Today we're checking out the performance axles from Rugged. These are brand new high strength replacement axles for a wide range of UTVs and ATVs, so let's dive in and give it a look. Right out the gate, it's hefty with a very solid feel. Notice the heavy duty neoprene boots and stainless steel clamps. These provide a watertight seal, protecting the internal components from dirt and moisture. Plus, they come pre-packed with high quality grease for optimal lubrication out the box. The CV joints have some high articulation, which is going to keep these things from binding when you get into some extreme suspension movements. For fitment, you're going to want to give our DK Tech team a call because there's a wide range of fitment for just about every machine you can think out there. Polaris, Can-Am, CF Moto, they've got an axle for it. So give our DK Tech team a call or use our Ride Finder tool on DennisKirk.com where you enter your make, model, year, and it'll spit out exact fit for your ride.